everyone, it's Alex. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So today I have my Project Pan, my Partners in Cream Project Pan update. You'll probably see everyone else's update in the next 6 hours and so on, but I decided to do mine today because you guys know it didn't fall exactly on the 10th, but I told you guys that I would do it the day before, the day after the 10th of the month, so then that way I'm kind of close to when everyone else is updating you guys as well. So I have 5 products here to share with you guys, but first, before we get into the Project Pan, if you're new to my channel, welcome to the familia. My name is Alejandra. I'm an eyeshadow enthusiast with a dash of Project Pan. If that is something that interests you, subscribe, join us, and now without further ado, let's get on with the update. Now, as you guys know, this is a collaboration Project Pan. I will have the playlist down in the description box as well as the creators here, so you guys can go binge watch whenever everyone else uploads the rest of their videos. Okay, so I do have my 5 products here. You can pick between 3 to 6. I think that's what the official number was after a few things here and there, but it's 4 to 6 products. I have my 5 products here. It is rolling, so if you're not aware, anything that I will finish or have finished, I will roll out and bring something else new. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start out with the first product, which is my NARS liquid blush. This is in the color Dulce Vida. I have about 1 more month left with this. I will be rolling this one out and bringing in Orgasm in the beginning of next month. So next month in April, I will have my new one. So I still have a little bit more to go to with this one. So here's where we started. Here was my first update, and here is where we are. This is how much I've used in this Project Pan. This is a lot. I'm very, very shocked. I've been using this every single day that I have been wearing makeup. I think I am close to using this a total of 40 times since I started this Project Pan, which is a lot. I'm actually very, very happy. I think I can get halfway through this bottle at the end of this month. So I am wearing it today. I'm sorry, I've been wearing my makeup in and out for about 8 hours and I have yet to retouch, so I might look a little bit off, but that's okay. But I am wearing it today. As you guys can see, it's on there. You guys can kind of still see it there. It's a really, really nice blush. I've told you guys I've enjoyed it. I'm having so much fun with my liquid blushes and I'm so happy I can see that I can use these up. They were very intimidating when I bought them, and now I can see I can get use out of them and really enjoy them and not feel overwhelmed or scared to use them. So 1 more month with this color specifically, and then I'm going to roll in my spring one, which I'm so excited. Spring is around the corner, guys. It's almost here. The next product that I have is my NARS Chelsea Girl in the pot. I will show you guys a picture of where we started out with this in this Project Pan. I forgot to show you guys that last month. And here's where we're at now. So you guys can see I have used a lot of this. So I am almost done with this. I have been hustling with this one. I only have 2 lip products in any of my Project Pans, and they're both in this specific Project Pan. So I've been really hustling with using them as much as possible. One of them I use solely as a chapstick kind of thing, and then this one I use anytime I wear lip products. Today I gave it a break because I've been using it quite a bit compared to where I started and where my other update was. I'm very happy with this one. I want this done. I'm dying for this to be over with. I know I don't hate Project Pan. I don't hate pan. I can't even understand what I'm saying. I don't hate pan, and I don't hate this product. It's just an annoying thing. But because of this, I know I will never ever purchase a potted lip product again, unless it is a lip balm, and even that I will double think about it, to be honest with you. I don't like anything in a pot. It's just way too much of a high maintenance. So once I'm done with this one, you have no idea, because this has, does this even say? Yes, it does. It has 4 grams of product, you guys. And when I started in this project, I believe almost half of it was already gone. So I used up 2 grams last year or the year before that, and then I think in 2018, and now I'm about to use 2 more grams. So this is still in the project. I'm still working on it. My goal is to at least finish it up before the summer hits, because that is way too pink tone for me when I have a tan. It has to do it now while I am at my fairest, or it's not going to work for me at all. While we're talking about lip products, let's move on to the next one. This is my Annabelle Big Show lip gloss in the color Rose Gold. That is what I'm wearing on my teeth. It's what I'm wearing on my lips right now, and I have been enjoying this one. Now, you probably won't be able to see progress on it like this, but you guys can see when I roll my wand in here, you can clearly see that I have quite a bit of progress in here. So here, you guys can see it there. I have been using quite a bit of this. I'm starting to scrape the sides. And if you are new to my channel, I do not take stoppers out of lip glosses. I did that once and only once, and I regretted it big time. So once I can't get any more product out of this, I'm calling it quits. But I have been enjoying it. I have been loving this. I love this even more with a warm toned lip. So I think I'm gonna get a lot more use out of it once I get a tan, if it's still lingering around, because I've been using it with warmer tone lip products and I really like it. Like today, I'm wearing it more with a pinky type of lip. I don't even know if it matches my eyes. I really don't care, but I really have been liking it. It's a great one. If I use it on its own with nothing under it, I only can do one swipe because it has glitter particles and you can really see the rose gold in it that I don't want to look like a clown. So I only do one swipe when I'm just using it alone, but if I have it on with a lip product, it's so comfortable. It looks so beautiful. My lips look really nice and juicy and it doesn't spread anywhere. I love this one. So we're still going strong. Those 3 products will be in here for a long time. Next product that I have is this Tatcha, the serum stick. I had rolled this in the last time. You'll see on the tallies on the screen how much I have used up. But here is where we stand right now. I do not have that much left, you guys. I'm very happy with this product, how it's going. As you guys can see right there, I've used quite a bit of this now. I use this almost every time in the evening if I need a touch up, if I need a refresher under my makeup, if I'm doing my makeup later in the day. This is a really nice product. I don't think I would spend the money on it on my own. This was sent to me for review from Influencer. It's expensive for what it is, to be honest with you, and I'm happy that I have it, but I don't think I would buy it on my own. So I've been using it. It's not super serum-y or runny or oily. It's that perfect consistency, what exactly I need in the wintertime when I need that extra hydration. So my goal is to finish that up. We're almost there. Now for the last product that I have. This is the Laura Geller Easy Illuminating Stick. So as you guys can see here, you'll see on the screen where I was, and ladies and gentlemen, I have even gutted the sucker out. So what happened was, in my last update, I only had a little bit left and I finished that up in about a week. So I had about 3 weeks left to use something, so I decided to scrape it out since I had so much time left in the month. And even then, after scraping the whole thing out, I ended up having to pull something else, which I will be rolling in and replacing this with. I like this one. This was in the color Diamond Dust, which was that duochromy pink color. It didn't show very duochromy on my face, but it was a really nice glowy look to my skin. I really enjoyed it. I have one more left of this, and then I'm officially done all of these. I think these are great. I like them. No glitter particles. It doesn't look overly oily. It blends beautifully with your hands, and that's what I did. I blended it in with my hands or with a brush, either way, and it worked perfectly fine. So if you guys could find these, I don't even know if they even exist, but if you can find these, I would recommend it. It's a really nice highlighter. Even if you just use it as a highlighter, it gives a really nice subtle glow. All right, you guys, so out of the 5 products that I have in here, I am rolling out one. I finished one and I still have my 4 left. So what I'm going to replace that one with, and which I already have replaced it, is with this MAC Cream Color Base in Pearl. So this is where we're at. I will take pictures of it so you guys can see. I've only used it about a week and a half's worth. You can kind of already see the circles in there. It's a really nice base. This one's more of a warmer type of base versus Luna that I panned about a year or so ago. So I like this one more. It is what I'm wearing all over my face today. I enjoy it. These are really nice. Again, these remind me of these. They are very nice and comfortable. They're not super oily. They're not super emollient for an oily skin individual. And they give you a nice color payoff that glows within. And you can build it up without it looking cakey or oily on your skin. So these 2 are some of my favorite face products as far as illuminators go. So I'm going to roll this in, and my goal is to completely finish this up. I'm hoping to be able to be done this before I get a tan, because I have a specific one that I want to use during the summer. So crossing fingers, I can make that happen. So we're going to use this one up. My other goals is to get more use out of this, obviously. I want to have just 2 more months of this. I want to be done this by the end of May. So I think I can do that. With the amount that I have left, I think I can use half of that in March and then the other half in April. So I'm hoping to be done this by May. That's my goal. This one, continue to use, as you guys can see. I'm just going to continue to use it. I think I can get more use out of it. I've been using this one a lot more too as well. And then this one, bring it down to at least the halfway mark. I think I can make this to the halfway mark of this bottle, and I should be content to roll that one out next month. So that is it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out everyone's updates. In about the next 6 hours is when you're going to start seeing them up. Thank you guys again for all of your support. More videos right over here for your enjoyment. Until then, bye guys.